I got
What up, y'all? What up? Welcome back to the channel. Guess what we doing today? Yeah, boy. We're gonna be doing some exhaust work. Excuse the mess back here. Got a lot. But we got our LCGP tips I ordered. I ordered an X pipe for Amazon's LCGP X pipe. These I ordered from Amazon as well. I ordered an arc welder from Amazon. I got this from Harbor Freight. I think it was like $2 and something. The wire steel brush, WD-40. Oh, let's see. I ain't never welded nothing, so everything is the first time doing all of this. Exhaust work, pipes, all of that. So I already kind of started. I didn't get the sawzall because I wanted to get like a good precise cut. Probably should got the sawzall, bro. But we're gonna make it work. I might just take this back and swap it out for the sawzall. I ain't gonna sit here and lie to you. But we gonna see. If I can get this off, then I can get this pipe here off. Look like somebody drilled a hole in the exhaust right here. Like I said, this is my first time getting up under this Durango in the back like this. But yeah, let's get to it. Try to put this stuff on a little time lapse or something and go from there. Alrighty, I got this is the passenger side, so I got that off right now. Hopefully y'all can see it. I know my angles are bad right now, but we gotta get it off this hanger up here in the corner somewhere. But hey, overall, that's a clean cut. Harbor Freight, $25. Exhaust pipe cutter. That's a pretty clean cut though, not gonna lie. Get y'all around here. So that's the hanger there that is hanging up on. I might have to run an AutoZone too. Really hoping y'all can see this. Hey, he must got a little weight to him. A little weight. I mean, they still in good condition. They still work. Got the tip. I'm gonna see if I can find out where I can sell these bad boys at. All right, so that right there, I give it a 10 out of 10. It works. Here we go. We got the exhaust out. There go they big butt right there. Both sides. What I think I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to go to AutoZone real quick, get one of those little pipes. The extended pipe, I might get a little clamp too to hold it in place until I can try to weld it on. But yeah, let's see how far back this goes with the exhaust pipe. So the reason why I'm doing it myself, because the prices are outrageous, man. They told me before they even weld to even get just the back mufflers out, that's $200 already. I'm like, $200 just to take the mufflers out? That's not even welding. So the price jacked up a lot. So that's why I'm doing it myself. And I'm kind of glad I'm doing it myself because it's a learning process and it's a fun project. Especially it should be good for y'all, show y'all that y'all can do it yourself too. So I bit off more than I can handle today. Turned into a little disaster. The welder wasn't welding like that. I gotta figure out how that operates. So what I'm gonna do, I got these U-clamps. I'm gonna just put these on here for temporary. It's not all the way out the back, but I just wanna have it here a temporary hookup on both sides. That way, when I finish doing my little research and everything, and if I decide like, hey, I bit off way more than I can handle, I already got some of the process done, so they can just weld the pipes, make a little extra pipe here, weld it up, and put the tips in with the hanger if I decide to go get it done. So if I can't do it, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna order some more bands, some band clamps off of Amazon. That way I can do the X-pipe portion. And hopefully I can figure out how I'm gonna do these pipes back here, because it has a curve right here. It has a curve that I wasn't ready for. So I thought it was actually straight, and I forgot that the tire was up under here. So it has a curve on the pipe right there. So we're just gonna put them on like this for temporary use, and go from there. Put y'all back on time. Both sides are very sturdy on that side. Let's call it a day. Wrap it up. I mean, I kind of like the way it looks a little bit though. Oh, you know, man. All right, let's do our first start up. As you can see, the pipes are right there. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get this curved pipe in. Let's get you a little closer. That way you can see everything. Alright, as you can see the pipe right there. We're gonna see how we go. This with the windows down. So far, so good. They still on there. Low-key kind of like the way it looked, though. Like, it's like one of those discreet exhausts. But this is with the windows down. This normal driving. It's a little bit of the throttle. There's a little bit of throttle, but the window's up. This is driving with the windows up. Don't mind that rattling in the back. That's the exhaust pipe. I mean, the muffler and stuff I got sitting in the back there. This interior. That was inside. All right, here's a little mini pour. Interior again. I'm gonna let the window down, crack it a little bit. Get it out of sport mode. All right, we're in normal mode now. And this is eco. This is normal with acceleration. Okay. This is eco mode. That's eco mode. We all in eco mode right now. All eco mode.